You access more than one time, right? If you access more than one time, it won't follow stack process. Arshita. Okay, now? Yeah, now scan up, guys. Yeah, right. What is printf? We discussed, right? Printf, what is printf? Printf follows what? Yeah, printf, it prints the string. That is the first task. What is second task? It returns the length of the string. Yeah, now scanf we discussed. What is scanf? It is used to read inputs from STD, standard input device. Okay, standard input device. It takes the inputs from user or from STD. And what is the second task? It returns the number of inputs. Yeah, what is syntax? Yeah, you know guys, what is syntax? It returns integer. Already I told you, C declaration. What is C declaration? That is scanf. Name of the function. This is what it expects. Characters are only string format only, guys. In string only contains this. This is a return type. It is the name of the function. This is a convention. What is the convention? I told you, right? Right to left or left to right. C declaration it takes. Okay, depends upon compiler. You try, guys, in the compiler while typing, you'll get a C declaration or a Pascal calling. Yeah, you get the advices. You can take that printf, guys, once. That is C declaration calling or printf. That is a Pascal calling. It can understand. I will show you stdio function. See, header file. I will show you, guys, standard IO header file. How they implemented that header file contains only definitions, right? I will show you. See this stdio. Yeah, we can see this stdio.h header file. Okay, just I will open this. Yeah, what is this? It is showing a definitions for stream input and output. How they have implemented. You can see the printf function definition, guys. You can see printf function definition. You can see where is the printf. They implemented std in, std out, right? These all implemented, guys. These are definitions of that series. What is C declaration? This is f close, f plus, f get c, f put c. These all functions, right? What is this? Is convention. Right to left or left to right it takes. Function contains convention also. You know return type, right? Return type name. And also it contains one more, that is what? That is a series, guys. Printf. What is printf? You can see the printf, guys. What is integer return type? C declaration calling. That is right to left it takes. And we have other types. C type. What is a C type? That is other type. And Pascal. We have conventions. How it takes right to left or left to right or at the time of functions. I will tell you what are these conventions. How it takes the function parameters. Right to left, left to right, and what is other type. What are different ways. That's why you get the different compilers. You get different outputs. Okay. This follows what C declaration. C declaration calling, right? See this. And some functions are C type. What is the type is that is different. It takes the parameters different way. See this. C type, C declaration, and Pascal also will be there. But this compiler it won't take left to right. It takes right to left. It executes. It executes right to left. Scanf also same, guys. Okay, you can check it. Right. Scanf also will be somewhere. See this. This is a scanf. Yeah, scanf. See this scanf. C declaration calling conversion. That is right to left it executes. It takes the parameters and it executes. Clear, guys? You understood, right? What is this convention? Yeah, now I will discuss. Printf returns the length of the string. Yeah, what is scanf? Scanf returns the number of inputs. For example, see how to write this. Yeah, now I am writing. Forget about the declaration. Scanf percentile d address of a. Now we are reading decimal value. Percentile means what? Decimal value, guys. Percentile means decimal value where we are storing in a. That value you are storing. Decimal means normal numbers. Normal number we are reading, that value storing in a. What is I value? I value is 1. Why? Because it returns the number of inputs, because it's I is 1. Now I will write this. Yeah, I equals to scanf percentile d percentile d. Okay, or percentile 2 percentile d address of a and address of b. Now this value is how much? This is I is 2. Number of inputs. How many you are reading? 2. Don't give the spaces, guys. Sometimes it's not error or it's not right. If I give comma, what happens? If I give spaces, what happens? In the scanf. Yeah, remember, it's not error. If I give comma or spaces, it's not error. But compiler sometimes is considered as one statement. One value you are going to read. It's not error, it's a valid only, but sometimes it reads only one value. Remember that, yes. Don't give the spaces. For example, can I write like this? Yeah, if I write I equals scanf of percentile d percentile d percentile. Can I write? Yes, we can write, but you are not storing that value. But I is how much? 3. That I value is 3, guys. But it is illegal operation, guys. It is illegal operation. Okay. But what is I value? You are reading 3 values. You are reading 3 values, but it is illegal. Okay, but illegal operation. Segmentation fault. You may get that segmentation fault. Yeah, who is Prashant Babu? Prashant, can you mute your mic? Clear it is? Now I will write a program, guys. Write a scanf. What is scanf? It is used to read. It is used to read inputs from user. Complete. We write a program, guys. Now see how to read inputs and how to print. Okay, see this scanf. Completed this. Yeah, it's completed. See, guys. Now we want to read the values and we want to print them. How to read and how to print. Yeah, guys. Now I am going. I have declared into a comma b comma and I values. See, I give a message here. Enter a comma b values. Printf. Enter a comma b values. Yeah, how to read a comma b values, guys, right? I equals to scanf of, see this. Now I am taking I equals to scanf of percentile d address of a and address of b. Okay, address of a and address of b. Now I am going to print a, b and I values. See this. How to print them? Now I am printing a value. A equals to percentile, b equals to percentile. It prints I equals to percentile. Output a, b and I value. We are going to print these 3 values, guys. Okay. Yeah, see this how it executes. Yeah, once execute, guys. Void main a comma b comma I, enter a comma b value. Once run, guys. Enter AB values. I enter 10. 10 values stored in A, 20 values stored in B. A is 10, B is 20, and I is 2. Can I enter more than one value, guys? 10, 20, 30. But we stored that 2 only. I is 2 because you can enter many numbers, right? First, that will be stored in buffer area. After from buffer, that value shifted to memory location. This is A, this is B, this is other values, right? This is called buffered area. What is buffered area? You know, right? Buffered area means temporary area. First, that input directly won't store in location, right? First, somebody should collect that is a buffered area. For every input, buffer area key will be created. Okay. Now that will be stored in first value stored in A, second value stored in B. What about other values? You are not reading, right? We are not storing anywhere. This value, this is A, this is B, but you are not storing those values. But I is how much number of inputs? 2 only. Because see, we have written this is 2. For example, can I write one more percentile? See, yeah, I will save, guys, because EWR, save this. Sometimes it may close because we are performing illegal. That is, I entered 10, right? Series 20, but I entered 30 also. Series I is 3, but I did not store that value. Okay. Sometimes what happens if you try in other compilers, it may close. That is, we don't know why, because you are performing illegal. That is okay, no? Yeah, write this program, guys. One more I will discuss next one. Completed. Next example. Write output also, guys. This is output. Enter A, B values and we print, right? See this. Enter A 10, enter B. That is output. A is 10, B is 20. Why I is 2? You understood, right? Number of inputs, that is. Next one. Yeah, next one, guys. See, scanf within the printf. Now I will write to see this. Printf of series statement, guys. Now I want to write hello and percentile d. Now see this, guys. Yesterday we have written printf within the printf. Now I equals to hello, next line. Hello space percentile d scanf. We have taken the values. Okay, one more close. Why? Because you open printf scanf. We close the scanf on printf. Now tell me, yesterday we discussed, guys, printf within the printf. Now scanf within the printf. Then tell me total output. Write and tell me the output. Yeah, very good. Rajat guys. Yeah, guys, first which one will be executed? Scanf will be executed. Yes or no? Scanf will be executed. Then what is the next printf? What is scanf? It reads the values. First value stored in A, second value stored in B. I entered a 10 in 20, 10 value stored in A, 20 value stored in B. Now hello will be executed. Hello percentile. What is this percentile, guys? That is nothing but a scanf value. What is scanf value? Number of inputs. Yes or no? Number of inputs. Hello space 2. Now A value is almost 10. What is B value? 20. What is I value, guys? I value is the length of this. Hello space 2. What is hello space 2? That is 7 and slash and 8. 8 characters. Now check it, guys. Total output. Right? See this. Enter A and B values. I enter 10, 20. See that. I allow space 2. What is this 2, guys? What is to write? This 2 is the number of inputs. A is 10, B is 20, and I is 8. What is this 8? This length. Allow space 2. What is allow space 2? 7 characters only. You may get out. Why it is 8? Slash n is there. Okay, don't forget that. Allow space 2. At allow space 2, slash n is there. See one. This is slash n. That is 8. Okay, next one. Yeah, try to understand, guys. This is some difficulty to understand. Yeah, guys, try to understand. Yeah, what values it prints now? What values it prints? Now my question is this. Printf, we are going to print three values. Which values are we are printing? Okay, slash and it is percentile, percentile, percentile. First percentile, second percentile, third percentile. Okay. Now what is A value and B value? First A value I will take. Initial A value is 55. B value is 66. I is not required. Okay. A is 55 and B is 66. Now we are going to print right print A value. This is A comma B comma and this. Now tell me, guys, what is the output? Write this, tell me output. If user inputs are 10, 20. User inputs are 10, 20. Padma, one check your output. Yeah, enter A comma B values. Yeah, first here see, guys, this statement will be executed. Three percentiles are there. First percentile is A, right? First percentile is B. Second percentile is B. Third percentile is what? Scanf. Which one will be executed? First scanf or AB values printing? First scanf. Yes or no? Why? Because this percentile will be executed first. Scanf will be executed first. What is AB values defaultly? Is AB values already it is there. It's a 55 and 66. First A value is 55, B value is 66. We are reading scanf. We are modifying the A and B values. What is A and B? A is 10, B is 20. Okay, A is 10 and B is 20. Now which value will be printed? Percentile. What is this percentile, guys? Scanf value. Yes or no? It's a scanf value. What is scanf value? It is 2. Scanf value is what? 2 it is. What is this value, guys? It's a B. It takes right to left, right? It's a B. What is B, guys? 20. Yeah, no doubt in this. What is this value, guys? A. What is A value, guys? A is 10. Now answer is what? 10 space 20 space 2. Answer is that. Okay, no? You understood? First scanf will be executed. Values will be modified, not 55, 66. That is the question. 55, 66 or 10, 20. First scanf is executing, right? That's why values will be modified first 10 and 20. Now this value will be printed. Last percentile. It executes from right to left. You know, right? the last percentile will be printed. Scanf value. What is scanf value? This will be executed first. That's the meaning. That is 2 first. Now what is this percentile? B, that is 20. This percentile is a 10 value. 10, 22. Clear it is. Now once execute, if I enter it will ask for enter A and B values. I entered 10, 20. Then answer is 10, 20 space 2. Got it? No doubt, right? Yeah, same question I will modify and I will ask. Yeah, guys. See this now. Tell me, guys. Now I will write a scanf, comma. Now see this A and B. Same question. User inputs are 10, 20. Then what will be the output? Question is same. Yeah, very good. 2, 10, 20. Yeah, many are saying Geeta Vani, Harshvardhan. 2, 10, 20. Very good. But it's wrong answer, right? Usha Rani. Yeah, very good. Usha Rani. Vinit. Yeah, Meghala. Yeah, guys. You check it this. I told you right which percentile will be executed first. This one. First, what is this? First B value printing. Next, A value printing. Right to left, right? This is A value printing. Third one is what? Scanf will be executed. Okay. First B value printing, next A value printing, then modifying. B, A, next modifying. Now what is our values first? This percentile value is how much? This first percentile value B. B is how much? 66 here. First printing, right? First 66. Next A value 55. Next 55. What is this percentile scanf? What is scanf? 2. 2, 55 and 66. Answer is this. Even though if you modified, after printing you are modifying it. That's why it won't reflect on this. Okay, now once check it. Enter AB values. I enter 10, 20, see this. 255 and 66 is the answer. Clear it is. Okay, now? Got it this? You understood, right? 255 and 66. How we got this output? Yeah, next one. Next one, guys. See this. Yeah, guys. Simple question only. Try to tell the answer first. Printf of percentile space I have given, and the printf of only one space between the two values. One space between A and B. Now tell me, guys. Printf is in the printf this. Tell me this. Tell me the output for this. Write this and tell me the output. Padma, I will get 1020. Padma Sri. Did you change the values? Yeah, very good. Sahana, how did you get 3? Sai Sweta, only 55, 66, huh? Pragati, how did you get 3? Yeah, guys, first which one will be executed? First this statement will be executed, guys, right? First value is what? This is will be printed. Where in the output, this is output screen. First this value will be printed. A value. What is A value? Is A or B? First B. Consider B value will be printed in this place only. First B value will be printed. Next A value will be AB will be printed. What is AB? 55 and 66. The question is what? Which one will be printed first? 66 will be printed first. Next 55. Printing is but మనకు కనిపించేది 55 66 కనిపించాలి కానీ ఫస్ట్ ప్రింట్ అయ్యేది మాత్రం 66, right? After that, which one? Next, this one will be executed. Why? Because printer, printer. What is this percent value? Length of this. Length of this means what it is printed. 55 to 66. What is the answer? Space in the, you can give space and 5. What is the answer? 55, 66 and space. Space 5. That is the answer, guys. Okay, na? Yeah, very good. Now see the answer, guys. 55, 66 and 5. You want to see the why how we got that? That is printf returns the length, right? 7